Please join me in welcoming General Manager Mr. Lynk of Lynk & Co. Selling Company. Thank you. Dear guests, friends online, welcome. Welcome to Ningbo for our launch event on the Lynk & Co. 1OEM-P. Back to 2017, also in Ningbo, we unveiled the Lynk & Co.'s first model, Lynk & Co. 01. Born global, open, and connected, we go global. We have been making continuous changes to the mobility experience. Over the past 9 years, our original aspiration has never changed. Lynk & Co. has grown into a global high-end brand selected by over 1.54 million users. Our products provided the 3 powertrain systems of ICE, HEV, and BEV, which are truly all line-up focused and diversified. Lynk & Co. challenges the norms, persists in the original design. From the design technology, driving dynamics to intelligence, we never follow but push the boundaries. In this brand spirit, we resonate with every co-fan, pursuing and making each other. During the ICE times, Lynk & Co. had always advanced the performance and sportiness. We built the best handling and power. Lynk & Co. 03 Plus is conceived as, by many Chinese car fans, the first true performance car engineered by any Chinese automaker. We in Ningbo established China's auto brand's first high-spec professional motorsports experience center. With continuous investments in motorsports, Lynk & Co. has not only won 7 championships over the 6 years in TCR, but showcased the speed of China's auto brands and amassed considerable expertise in advancing chassis engineering. After entering the NEV era, Lynk & Co. continues its advancement with the strongest brand identity. Our second-generation design language the next day leads the times with the original designs. We stay true to what we are. In performance with the Lynk & Co. EM-P family, we have engineered the global most robust high-end hybrid, which is not only energy-saving, high-performing, but also smart and safe. Lynk & Co. EM-P smart hybrid family's average transaction price has reached 254,200 RMB. We do appreciate the user's true recognition. This enables Lynk & Co. to gain a strong foot in the top-tier high-end PHEV segment in a real sense and break into the heartland of established luxury brands. In this first half, across the competitive 9 Series large 6-seater segment, our flagship SUV Lynk & Co. 900 outperformed its rivals, with the positioning to offer a better home on top of the 6-seater. More than 20,000 vehicles had been delivered within the 100 days. It ranks as the top 3 best-selling full-size hybrid SUVs for the 3 consecutive months. The price of the most sold variants exceeds 350,000 RMB. A growing number of customers of conventional luxury brands, when repurchasing electric vehicles, regard Lynk & Co. 900 as the first candidate. The best-in-class handling and power are Lynk & Co.'s strength. The most beautiful original design differentiates Lynk & Co. While the advanced intelligence lives up to the user's expectations today. Our protagonist, Lynk & Co. 1OEM-P, debuts with the ever-evolving strength and capabilities exceeding the user's expectations as an all-new model in front of you. Today's EV market is never short of many excellent SUVs, but there are few C-class high-end hybrid sedans for selection. We have a few great choices, very hard for users to buy a sedan combining satisfactory exterior, interior, space, performance, and intelligence. Since the launch of Lynk & Co. Z10, we have held many user friends call for, where Lynk & Co. is adept at in the HEV field, we could promote a sharper-looking PHEV. Our all-new 1OEM-P answers this very call. Not only exterior and interior instantly appeal to the users, but the core technologies evolve across the board. First, for the C-Class hybrid users seeking great powers, we bring the 4WD system exclusive to the high trim level of luxury models to all 1OEM-P variants, which is the industry only. EMP's capabilities are being advanced. It is smarter, safer, more high performing and energy saving. Enabled by Xinrui AI Cloud Power 2.0, it is capable of thinking and predicting. Powered by AI, it integrates road conditions and your driving habits in real time to dynamically manage the energy. 1OEM-P bursts the global mass-produced highest thermal efficiency hybrid exclusive engine, integrated with the 8 energy-saving technologies, delivering precise control throughout the process, lifting the industry energy-saving bar again. Enhanced with the greatest chassis tunings experience on the racetrack across various terrains and working conditions, 1OEM-P sets itself the most formidable benchmark across its class. It excels not only in the handling but also demonstrates mastery across all domains. Super easy driving everywhere. Let's watch a video together. This, I have to state, this video is not paid and taken by ourselves. These are the videos taken by our Lynk & Co users from snowy plateaus to coastal road, from urban commuter to long travelers. An increasing number of users are driving our EMP models towards the poetry and distant dreams in their hearts. As we enter the new tech era, EMP will continue to provide a more excellent mobility experience. Regarding our intelligence, there might be a saying, all are so great, but intelligence is not Lynk & Co's strength. Nevertheless, we are so ready to reverse your impression on our intelligence from this new product. In hardware, 1OEM-P comes standard with the LiDAR, being the global first sedan equipped with NVIDIA Thor chips across the hybrid sedans. It offers the top computing power for ADAS solutions and software featuring G-Pilot H7. Yes, please. Now, please join me in welcoming Mr. Kang Guwang, head of Lynk & Co Research Institute.
欢迎大家莅临120EMP的上 Welcome, and thank you for coming to Lynk & Co. 1OEM-P launch event. I'm Control丨. Just as Mr. Lin Jie mentioned, power and handling are Lynk & Co.'s signature. We insist in architecture-based car manufacturing and technology development as a foundation, insist in perfect combination of handling and performance on every car of Lynk & Co. Breaking new grounds in what we already excel at is no easy task. But today, with the launch of 1OEM-P, we are committed to making our strengths even stronger. With our deep understanding of architecture-based car manufacturing, Lynk & Co. 1OEM-P chassis has been fully upgraded with an aluminum alloy double wishbone front suspension and an enhanced 5-link independent rear suspension, which is a classic suspension design for high-end sedans. It is also equipped with dual-flow valve variable damping suspension, delivering premium driving and passenger experience. No matter off-road mountain driving or urban travel, this car handles all conditions with ease. Exceptional architecture demands professional tuning. Lynk & Co. constantly develops its technologies as a solid foundation. We redesigned subframe mount positions and the force transmission, open simulation-based tuning, and over 80,000 kilometers test across over 120 typical road conditions lead to more precise response and more comfort. Additionally, it is equipped with the best-in-class ZF-DPS steering system with enhanced responsiveness and smoother feedback. These unseen details are the foundation of superior experience. All these efforts target at setting the benchmark for handling of large-size sedans. How do we make our strengths even stronger? On the powertrain, we pushed the boundaries of thermal efficiency and developed 1.5T EVO engines specially designed for hybrid cars. Leveraging AI technology, we analyzed millions of parameters to identify the best design of combustion chamber and intake port, with which the flame propagation speed is 10% faster, turbulence inside cylinder is 42% stronger, and overall combustion speed is 20% faster. The engine's maximum thermal efficiency reaches 47.26%, beating all mass-produced hybrid engines in the world. Meanwhile, 38.2 kWh Shendun Golden super electric hybrid battery elevates the powertrain system to the new level. In the industry, in terms of charging speed, companies all advertise their charging speed from 30% to 80% because charging efficiency below 30% is generally low. But that's not the case for our Shendun Golden battery. When battery is only 10%, it still has a 12.6 C charging rate. From 10 to 30%, which is a shared challenge in the industry, its charging speed is 20% faster, while charging speed from 10% to 80% SoC is over 10% faster. To guarantee acceleration at low battery in terms of power output, even when our battery is only 20%, Shendun battery can still discharge at full power. We aim at the same performance no matter battery full or low. Thank you. Empowered by AI technology, Lynk & Co. Intelligent Electric Hybrid evolves towards more intelligent. The Intelligent Energy Management System collects navigation routes, traffic flow, and surrounding conditions to dynamically adjust electricity and fuel output, balancing energy efficiency and performance. For example, in traffic jam, it switches to pure electric mode for better efficiency. When going off-road in mountains, it elevates power generation in advance to store energy and provide stronger acceleration. In other words, whoever drives it and whenever it goes, our users can always get the best. Stable chassis, energy efficiency, intelligent energy management form Lynk & Co. style, handling, and performance. But we went for more. For a premium electric hybrid sedan, one thing stands out. all-wheel drive. Throughout over a century of automotive history, especially in sedans, all-wheel drive has always been a high-end configuration for luxury cars, especially in sedan segment. It has advantages in capability, handling, performance, and safety, and serves as the best configuration for traditional luxury sedans. As Lynk & Co., we aim at the best handling, so we spare no expense to bring high-end technology to more users. 1.0 comes standard with four-wheel drive. Moreover, our intelligent electric all-wheel drive has not only all advantages of AWD but also faster response and better efficiency. First, faster response. Our torque response time is just 10 milliseconds, while the industry's EAWD response time is around hundreds of milliseconds. For example, if it's 200 milliseconds, it means 6.7 meters for a car at 120 kilometers per hour. If it's 10 milliseconds, the car moves just 0.3 meters. So instant response means safety. Here, I want to say thank you to our electric control development team for our dedicated hard work in 100 days. We are committed to making every millisecond count. 1.0 is equipped with brand new hybrid exclusive powertrain, high efficiency electric drive, and a rear P4 electric drive with 10 millisecond level response, delivering maximum power output of 380 kilowatt and 0 to 100 kilometers per hour acceleration in just 5.1 seconds, which is faster than many 3.0T performance sedans. In addition to faster response and acceleration, energy efficiency is also our goal. So how do we reduce the energy consumption of AWD in the electric era? Decoupling and reducing dragging loss are the key. So we developed P4 asynchronous motor, which is fully decouplable and operates with near zero drag loss. This electric drive is 5% lighter, with 12% higher power density, and compared with two-wheel drive, its fuel consumption is up by only 0.16 liter, which saves 0.3 to 0.5 liters compared with industry average. We offer the performance of AWD and energy consumption level of two-wheel drive. Now let's move on to ADAS. In the NEV era, ADAS has become a symbol of high-end technology. Currently, only vehicles priced above 300,000 RMB have Thor chip. But 1.0 comes standard with LiDAR and Thor chip and 千里浩瀚 H7 solution. 千里浩瀚 H7 solution has been deployed on nearly 250,000 units of Lynk & Co. and Zeekr cars, with ADAS mileage over 430 million kilometers. Thanks to AEB and other safety features, millions of potential accidents have been prevented. Users travel more conveniently and more safely. Lynk & Co. 1.0 offer map-free urban NOA and highway NOA upon delivery. It is as experienced as a local driver who drives smoothly, stably, and parks perfectly. It's our best companion wherever and on every road condition. In terms of travel efficiency, 千里浩瀚 H7 adopts a super TJA algorithm, so it can adjust distance with the vehicle ahead based on real-time conditions to prevent cut-ins from other cars. The intelligent speed recommendation analyzes green wave speed from navigation data or surrounding traffic conditions, improving travel efficiency by 30%. The 千里浩瀚 H7 enjoys top-tier perception range and accuracy, and it identifies irregular guardrails, protruding utility poles, and vehicles crossing suddenly from blind spots. It predicts the trajectory of moving objects in real time. Together with the end-to-end AI model, it generates millisecond-level vehicle control. Even in complex scenarios, it responds swiftly, slowing down while smoothly navigating around obstacles. During recent test drive events, there is a question from media. Compared with SUVs, sedans have lower positioning for high-definition cameras and LiDARs. Does this affect performance? Actually, this is a good question. Just as human drivers adapt to different positions on sedans and SUVs, ADAS adapts similarly. 千里浩瀚 H7 is a digital full-set network on the vehicle with long-term memory and predictive capabilities. Therefore, it anticipates road behaviors, road conditions, and changes. For example, it can predict distant lane markings to plan a reasonable trajectory for a more comfortable experience. When traffic lights are blocked by large vehicles, the system uses multimodal language model algorithms to understand the scenario and reason about traffic light status, avoiding running red lights or unnecessary braking, causing rear-end collisions. As a parking assistant, the 千里浩瀚 H7 parking function has been used over 15 million times, with a success rate of over 95%. It supports over 300 types of parking spaces, and even without clear markings, the fingertip parking function allows users to draw a parking spot. With remote parking function, parking becomes carefree. How does 千里浩瀚 H7 perform? During the test drive events last month, it was highly recognized by experts and media. Let's hear what they say.
这么近它也没什么减速，最难的路段已经过去了，但我觉得很屌啊！哇，我真的好喜欢它这个车的减速，太像人了，我的天哪！
就很快就遇到了第一个红灯，有没有发现它早早的就开始减速，然后慢慢的滑行过去，连最后停止的那一下，刹车的动作都是很轻柔的，尽可能减小停止那一下的车身晃动。刚才右侧
It feels like human and drives very stably. The car we are driving its ADAS system, ADAS 千里浩瀚 H7 system, identifies the car lane intelligently and brings us very smooth travel experience. So you do not feel abrupt. It's worth noting that these capabilities only represent the current state of our ADAS. In fact, from the first prototype to today, the software has undergone nearly 10 iterations. We are committed to continuous improvement. Soon, we will roll out the parking-to-parking ADAS function. One activation, direct travel between two parking spots, 4 barrier gate liftings, and navigation through 6-level underground parking. You can always believe our 千里浩瀚 ADAS. Whether you are a new driver or expert, it will deliver the best experience. ADAS isn't just about convenience. It's also about safety. With stronger hardware and smarter algorithm, we've significantly raised the bar for active safety. We've made possible AEB emergency braking at 130 km/h, which can operate in scenarios like sudden pedestrian crossings and blind spot vehicles coming at intersections. This time, we simulate more extreme conditions. The nighttime continuous obstacle avoidance test simulates highways, national roads, and mountains with no external lighting, evaluating the vehicle's ability to detect and respond to emergencies, particularly targeting low visibility small obstacles. No matter when, no matter what the weather is, the Lynk & Co 1.0 will predict risks and protect you. Passive safety is Lynk & Co's foundational strength. Our unique golden triangle stable structure and 4 horizontal and 5 vertical force transmission pathways form a solid foundation for passive safety. So what breakthroughs have we made this time? Compared with SUVs, sedans have lower front profiles, so in extreme scenarios, impact forces are on the A-pillar and roof. On 1.0-EMP, both A-pillar and front roof crossbeams are made of high-strength hot-formed steel. The A-pillar uses 4 layers of hot-formed steel to form a solid roof protection structure to ensure the safety of occupants in accidents. Last but not least, I'd like to highlight our breakthroughs in battery technologies. This time, we've pushed the boundaries for safety for battery. Recently, at China Automotive Engineering Research Institute, an EV testing center, we successfully completed China's first 6-item sequential extreme test for charged battery, performed on the same battery while it was supplying power, simulating real-life scenarios. More stringent standards, extreme condition tests, and uncompromising performance have proven our battery's safety and reliability, setting a new benchmark for safety. Beyond real-life scenarios, we conducted an even more rigorous dual-needle penetration test, industry's first multi-point thermal runaway safety test for charged battery, raising higher demand on the battery's internal safety and stability. During the test, all functions operate as zero. This has been certified by China Association of Consumer Good Quality and Safety Promotion. Additionally, we also passed charging system safety test, low-voltage electric system test, lightning strikes and extreme electromagnetic test, and battery safety early warning test, etc. You may have noticed all these tests are conducted with charged battery because it resembles real-life scenario. These tests are more valid as they reflect actual risks. Today, I can proudly say that Lynk & Co 1.0-EMP is the first that has achieved all safety certifications for charged battery in China. When it comes to safety, you can always trust Lynk & Co. AWD is no longer a premium add-on, but a standard configuration, ensuring both efficiency and performance. ADAS is beyond class level, making intelligence a new signature of Lynk & Co. Safety validated by charged battery tests pushes industry standards upward. In the realm of core technology, we have confidence that among all hybrid sedans under 300,000 RMB, Lynk & Co 1.0-EMP has the best capabilities. Now let's give floor to Mr. Lin Jie to share with you more surprises about the design and cabin. Thank you.
有请领克汽车。
Thank you, Kang, for your sharing. We come to understand how 1.0-EMP has fully involved in hard strengths. Next, I'm so delighted to present on what a pleasurable and comfortable experience can be provided by 1.0-EMP. First, how Lynk & Co 1.0-EMP stands out as the most eye-pleasing hybrid sedan. The beauty of a model lies in first its exterior and interior, second its body color. And its exterior 1.0-EMP perfectly blends the sharpest-looking exterior with the most costly paint. We apply the all-new next-day design language, inspired by sunrise light rhythm. in designing the exterior of 1OEM-P. This design language creates, as many friends view it, the best looking exterior. We persist in the original design and the strong brand identity. This is the commitment showed by us and our users. So we not only offer the good look is also a standard for Lynk & Co. In the exterior color, we overcome greater challenges. Many friends, after seeing the new colors, say the new colors make this model sleek and more premium. You cast your eyes on the most acclaimed colors, flowing gold and sky beige. Flowing gold appears like dark jade, which is stable and sophisticated. Bathed in the sunlight, it transforms into the flowing gold, shimmering with brilliance. Can be low profile and dazzling. The fusion of gold and jade embodies two contrast sprays, gets unified through the change. Sky beige is equally extraordinary. It usually presents a high-end gray, very soft, but under the sunlight, a shimmering hint of light pink emerges, adding an extra layer of refinement. Premium expressions come at a high cost. First, raw material for body paint does cost us. No ordinary pearlescent paint can deliver this effect. By partnering with the global top-notch paint manufacturer, we could develop the special dual pearlescent material on top of high, including the 30% color saturation improvement. We invested twice the cost. In a square centimeter, we have over 10,000 shimmery points, totaling more than 1 billion across the vehicle. We get this starry shimmer effect. 1 billion stars are shimmering for you. Isn't it dazzling? Second, the painting process is complicated. Good-looking color must also last. We make heavy investments in the painting process. 30 robots work in a relay for 10 hours to apply 8 layers in total. The durable middle layer is twice as thick as the industry's average. Only in this way can the color be beautiful for sight and durable for use. Besides the two dual pearlescent paints on this stage, 1OEM-P offers a total of 6 high-quality exterior colors, including midnight black, fluid gray, glazed purple, and dawn white. Each hue mirrors a different sky, capturing the beauty of a sunrise light for you. Appealing Lynk & Co.'s design, style, and sunset orange is visually impactful and more luxurious. All interior colors go with the genuine Napa leather. Despite the stylish differences, expressions must be equally high quality. There is a hidden optional color, obsidian black. You got it. Friends with the good knowledge about Lynk & Co. Obsidian black is born from the racetrack gene of Lynk & Co. 03 Plus, featuring a bold yellow and black contrast paired with metallic woven materials, as well as the premium suede headliner. 2/3 of the entire seat is upholstered in the same suede used in the top-tier sports car. For the full embodiment of sportiness and high quality, are you fond of it? Beyond the interior color, 1OEM-P's entire seats burst the black diamond cut-inspired quilting, very multidimensional and premium. At the center of the seat back, letters of the next day is specially embroidered, exquisite and extraordinary. With the advanced design throughout the cabin, we work to supply high-end users with a flagship experience. 1OEM-P positioned as a super large C-segment model with the length of over 5 meters, a wheelbase of over 3 meters for vehicle accessible area of 4.8 square meters and 1.2 square meters of comfortable space per occupant. Across the sedan category, built itself into the peerless, lavishly decorated penthouse. Rear rows in the 1OEM-P in particular provide great headroom, legroom, and lateral elbow room. According to the market data, versus the best-selling models engineered by JVs or EV startups, we are leading in all aspects. You are so welcome to give it a try. Large space and a fully flat floor make a real penthouse-like cabin. For the rear rows, we design a fully flat floor. When 3 passengers are seated, the center one stops feeling squeezed. Both elderly occupants and children have easy ingress and egress without any stumble. Please see, our young friends even bring their favorite zoo to the rear row, very flat. Our adult friends like having your pets around. Your lovely pets could lie quite comfortably on the pass-through, larger, flatter, and softer. Many luxury hotels, even at our home, cover our rooms with extensively carpeting because softness is the most immediate comfort for the body. In 1OEM-P, we use 18 square meters of soft trim materials. The floor, seat, door panel, headliner, and even the rear row armrest, wherever you touch, are all upholstered in the soft leather or premium fabrics. Even the storage compartments are lined with flocked suede. All 3 materials meeting higher standards are used. We are ready to give you, wherever you touch, all safe and comforting softness. Enjoyable experience physically relaxes you and spiritually pleases you. Harman Kardon sound system remains co-community members' favorite configuration. It cannot be missed this time. 1OEM-P adopts the widely acclaimed 23-speaker Harman Kardon sound system with a 714 channel setup and a 3D surround sound technology. To address the hardest problem of different sound effects from the same source, we work on the hardware. We invite the sound tuning expertise from QQ Music and Harman Kardon. Based on the vehicle layout and the first 3-party joint tunings, plus the AI algorithm, after thousands of tuning practices, create the perfect auditory balance. 1OEM-P upgrades to premium immersive audio. For the wider sound channel, richer details, and more diversified space layers, in terms of sound tuning, we provide a 7-band equalizer, tuning whatever genre you prefer at your will. So it's not just a matter of the penthouse-like space. We've recreated a $1 million listening room in the 1OEM-P. Breathing sound and thrilling singing are both desired. Our full-stack self-developed AI-powered make-free karaoke function, no matter where you are seated in the vehicle, delivers the ultra-low latency for high definition and clearer audio. Electric vehicles employ larger and larger center displays, interrupting the normal layout of ventilation. A ventilation placed lower makes the jaw uncomfortable when blowing, and higher looks out of place. So 1OEM-P has innovated the design. We pioneered the elevating integrated ventilation speaker, innovatively blending ventilation with the speaker. When raised, the ventilation fixes at the optimal 9.5-degree angle, delivering gentle airflow and crystal clear music. When hidden, the speaker grill seamlessly blends into the front cabin. This elevating integrated ventilation speaker is also pinch-proof or anti-pinch. If our kids are curious and reaching their hands, they will not get pinched or hurt. Safety remains our top priority anytime. To fill a space with the famous ambience besides music, there is also lighting. 1OEM-P features Lynk & Co 900's 10 million color AI flowing ambient lighting system, like the integrated smart lighting for your entire home. 74 bulbs are synchronized with the music, air conditioner, and driver modes, which are breathing the same rhythm. Such a beautiful, immersive experience should not be disturbed by any noise. To deliver extreme quietness for the advantage of 1OEM-P, we employ double-pane laminated glass, and more than 90% interior and exterior parts are built with acoustic materials, far above the industry's average of 75%. Through active noise cancellation technology and upgraded sound insulating tires, we have gained overall ultimate control for road, wind, and engine noises. 1OEM-P's comprehensive quietness rivals that for $1 million luxury models. The quietness is also a form of protection. And the final level of our seats, like what you can get from a penthouse, the seats are accessible in a very direct and luxury manner. 1OEM-P supplies all 4 cloud touch zero gravity seats. Both the front and the rear seats have ventilation, heating, and massage functions. Rear seats through a super large smart armrest can be adjusted with the one button for a maximum reclining angle of 124 degrees to make the most comfortable golden reclining angle for you at ease. In the SUV, customers are used to walking or relaxing with the foldable table for rear seats, but it can scarcely be found in a sedan. Thanks to the most spacious rear across the segment, 1OEM-P comes standard with the foldable table located behind the front passenger seat. And the push button has also been developed with a push button for angles and distances adjustment to ensure a fully flat table and sufficient leg room. Plus adjustable seats, the rear can be converted into your executive space. For the large electrified SUV, the fridge is almost a standard, but restricted by space, cost, and design. In our sedan, the fridge can almost scarcely found, even if there are most use non-sub-zero incubators or some other boxes. So we have not just resolved this problem. A fridge has been integrated into the front center console for the first time. Easy access for both the front and the rear occupants without discontinuing the driving. Our in-vehicle fridge applies an independent compressor for both the cooling and heating, supporting -6 to 10 Celsius for cooling, 35 Celsius to 50 Celsius for heating. Be it the beverage in summer or the milk tea in your winter, we are just caring for the 4 seasons. There is a small special surprise. Our fridge lid is also a hidden storage compartment. Our certificates and routine items can be put right here for easy use. Despite its spaciousness, no single space has not been fully used. In space, our model is larger, flat, and soft. For relaxation, we offer the multiple function experience. This is 1OEM-P presenting the flagship experience. Let's take a deep dive into the cabin. It's in the very luxurious in its intelligence. 1.0 EMP has also evolved. It features Lynk framing auto to smart camping system, presents us with the AI-powered fresh new experience. It has several functions. First, easier to use. We want our users to, within 2 clicks, activate over 80% of commonly used functions. With this thinking, new generation Flyme Auto, the industry-first large car model, frees users from their entry into the secondary menu operation on the home page directly within 2 steps, so all can be controlled. The beloved floating window model has become more flexible. Key information like navigation and music can automatically dock to the screen edge for the same screen operation, allowing and we have the most open phone call connectivity ecosystem. Our phone call connectivity is not just confined to Meizu. Whether you use Apple, Huawei, Xiaomi, you can enjoy barrierless connectivity and immersive entertainment. Second, smarter interaction. AI enables the in-vehicle infotainment system to be a comprehensive smart butler or assistant. Today's EVs get more and more features. Unsure whether you are feeling the same. Sometimes we may have driven some car for 1 year, but no idea how to activate some functions. In 1.0 EMP, we have AI-empowered in-vehicle assistant, which is very practical. Following your voice command, it automatically switches to the respective interface. And we have a trip assistant, just a simple voice command. The system can tailor a spontaneous journey for you anytime, anywhere. And after arriving at your destination, it acts like your local friend. Based on your real-time location, it recommends nearby tourist sites and the highly rated better reviewed food. It is very intelligent. After the upgrade, our all-new wallpapers have been very dynamic, and these wallpapers can grow. And along with the charging status, it can blossom and fold. So we hope that all your journeys to be filled with blooming joy. Many young friends are into dolls. We get your digital pets in this model. All new wallpapers themed cute pets, bringing so many adorable pets. For example, this capybara is a hit. It's very popular among both the adults and the kids. Whenever you tap the screen, it interacts with you for so much fun. Please stay tuned.
嗨，领克，帮我安排杭州周末2天带娃的行程规划。
好嘞，以下是为您精心准备的2天行程。杭州，第1天。
嗨，领克，这里好漂亮，是什么地方啊？
这里是杭州1000年历史的拱辰桥。
Right here, I have more assurance. Besides an ecosystem related to the car, The 1OEM-P car use ecosystem is also evolving. We design a wide range of car use ecosystem products to create more interesting scenarios for our users. The front foldable table, very practical when you are waiting for someone or in some beautiful tourist site. You could just give yourself some tea. You don't need to squeeze into a coffee shop. Paired with the front fridge, you can enjoy an undisturbed afternoon tea in the car. In vehicle fun, flexible and versatile. Smart buttons, you may stick them anywhere. For flexible function setting, whether it is family members' most comfortable AC temperature or navigation to your home, one press gets you there, seamlessly and efficiently upgrading your mobility experience. More products are coming soon. We look forward to creating more enjoyable and easy to use new scenarios with all of you. Thank you. We have shared so much today. Please allow me to sum up.
Lynk & Co 1OEM-P the highlights summarized here: performance evolution, AWD as a standard configuration, and two-wheel drive level energy consumption and AWD performance, and also intelligence evolution. LiDAR across all trims, industry-leading ADAS, and smarter and stylish Flammy Auto 2.0. Space evolution, spacious cabin with luxury enjoyment, a first-class lounge, and a superstar karaoke on wheels. And also safety evolution. We are the first brand to achieve all charged battery safety certifications in China. So in a word, the fully evolved Lynk & Co 1OEM-P is the most capable hybrid sedan under 300,000 RMB. Now, let's welcome all colors to be presented.